What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Rahina here, and welcome back to the Passion Play YouTube channel. Today, we got a super short video for you, and it's gonna be explaining the process of cleaning your drain hole on your SV650 engine. Now, I know that sounds a little bit weird, but it's a commonly overlooked service that should be done, I think, pretty much every oil change. I mean, while you're changing your oil and you have your bike on a stand or just down for maintenance, you should definitely look at this. So, this right here is a second generation SV650 engine that I'm currently in the process of dismantling, and I happen to notice that the drain hole on the front cylinder head was super clogged. Now, the previous owner that I bought the bike from, he was super honest with me, and he was like, hey man, I was doing wheelies on the bike, front cylinder went, it's now an SV325. So at least he was super honest about it. He actually sent me a picture of it. I'll put that in the video right here. But he sent me a picture of the wheelie, and immediately I knew, yes, SV650s are not meant for wheelies, so that's why the engine went. But if he would have just sold me this bike saying, yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it, won't start or whatever, you know, I would have gotten this back here, and when I would have gone through the motor inspection process and seen that clogged drain hole, the first thing I would have thought of was, oh, the front cylinder, the front spark plug is probably corroded from water and moisture. That's probably what it is, and that cut the front cylinder out. But like I said, this guy was super honest with me, so I know what the actual issue is. The bottom end is completely toast. So I'm actually gonna be making a secondary video for that called the carnage and aftermath of doing wheelies on an SV650. So if you guys wanna watch that, make sure that you like this video. Also subscribe to the channel so then you can see that in the upcoming weeks. But for right now, I'm gonna show you guys how to get your drain hole like this, super dirty, looking pretty clean, like this one over here, which is actually a well-maintained engine. And that's how it actually should look. So it's a very simple process. Like I said, this is something that should be done every oil change. If you don't do it, what happens is this drain hole allows water and moisture that builds up in your cylinder or in your spark plug tube to basically just drain out. And when there's nowhere for that water to drain out, it causes that front spark plug to corrode, and then you have an SV325. And nobody likes that. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys how to clean out your drain hole. Make sure you guys do it every oil change, and from here on out, you guys will thank me later. Let's get today's video started. Alrighty guys, so to get this process started, what we're gonna go ahead and do is find a little bit of a pick tool. Now, you don't necessarily have to use a pick tool like this. You could find yourself like a toothpick, a freaking paper clip, or what I think would probably be best is actually like one of those little pipe cleaners. It's like, they're very small and very thin. They have like little bristles at the end of them, and you could just stick them in little holes like that and clean them out. A pipe cleaner would probably be best to clean this out, but unfortunately, I don't have one of those. So we're gonna use the good old trusty Harbor Freight pick right here. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is just pick out all of the little crud that's around the edges on here, and we're gonna start off by just, oh yeah, this wouldn't, you'd probably need to use this before using a pipe cleaner, but look at all that. All right. So once you have all that crud removed from the drain hole and it looks nice and clear like that, you're gonna usually want to take some type of like compressed air and stick it right here and just blow it all out. Now guys, I don't have an air compressor, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take a good old socket, put it right there, and just blow into it. And there you have it, folks. That is how your drain hole should look at all times. Like I said, guys, super simple, very quick, takes no time at all. Make sure that you do this check every oil change. It will save you a headache in the future. Like I said, a clogged drain hole can lead to moisture buildup in the front spark plug tube, and leading to a cut spark plug, leading to a dropped cylinder, leading to an SV325, and none of us want to deal with that. So like I said, guys, make sure you keep your drain hole clean, and if you guys enjoyed this video, or if you learned something from this video, hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for future SV related content. And until the next one, guys, I will see you then. Peace.